امریکی وزیر خارجہ مارکو روبیو کا کہنا ہے کہ ایران کے ساتھ معاہدے سے خلیجی ممالک کو پوری طرح باخبر رکھا جائے گا۔ معاہدے میں ایسا کچھ نہیں ہوگا جو خلیجی ممالک کی سیکیورٹی کو خطرے میں ڈالے۔ واضح کیا کہ آبنائے ہرمز پر کوئی ٹول ٹیکس قابل قبول نہیں ہوگا۔
This is a long-term relationship. We've been here for decades, this is not a new relationship between our countries. So obviously, as always, just express gratitude for all the support they gave us during this conflict. And the second is just to reiterate the points I made with you, and that is that we obviously are the president. The United States, if we can make a deal with Iran that's good for everybody, we want to do it. We're going to give it every chance to succeed, but also to make the point that we're not going to do anything or agree to anything that they're not aware of, that our partners in the area are not aware of, that our partners in the area are not aligned with, and that in any way could undermine their security and their stability. So to reassure them of these points, the same points we made in the GCC meeting, said fees and tolls are the same thing to me. Okay? If you're paying someone to go there, I don't care if you call it a fee or a toll or a donation, it's a toll. That's how we're going to define it. That's international waterway. There isn't a nation on earth that supports having to pay money to go through the straits.